man for the merchandising and the name of the youth. Illegally on the blood clot. Sit down and watch it bomber ass clot youth and nobody will say nothing.
Trending News JA. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.
Welcome to the channel. Me tell myself me nah do no more Niah video because the boss soul arrest. But with the fuckery we are going surrounding his name, me think him a turn. So them people here have no respect for the dead. Let's flash back to when Niah was alive. Niah get him youth and Cpr was made the godfather, right? Niah never mentioned him father and there was peace. So why has Niah drop out a beer chaos everywhere? First we see Niah father fly down and claim all of Niah's belongings to include phone, jewelry, in bag. Cpr, who everyone say yeah, him are the right person to continue to grow Niah legacy as well as to take care of Niah's daughter. Everyone also gave him the approval to accumulate the funds to cover like funeral expense and also to save some money for him goddaughter. So tell me now, why me I see a clipping where Niah father and other family members are behave wicked pan Cpr? And the way them attack viciously like me think Cpr for fear for him life right now, you know? Because it sound like them would have threatened to do things. Me and the man them a mention say, oh, Cpr for put out Niah merch and I sell them without their permission. Why? So many questions. Remember, you know, them initially agree upon everything. So why the problem now? And you know the one answer for that problem there? And money. Them a get greedy. They say money are the root of evil and me I tell you say boy, a true, cause it up later now. Why them a war over Niah? After everybody did agree say alright, Cpr are the man we can alright, take care of things, continue Niah legacy, take care of Niah daughter and all of that. Now everybody a be vicious. Me I go play the clip still and when they tell me one thing, you know think Cpr need to just leave everything alone in terms of Niah legacy. Yes, him can take care of goddaughter of course. Think of the baby mother keep the child too, Niah baby mother. In terms of Niah legacy brother, just drop the merch, drop everything brother, cause if you continue them people here, me think them a go all want try to take your life brother. And me I tell you say yo, that no fear. So let's watch and react. Tell me what you think.
And we have to sit on the outside youth that suffer this blood clot. And some of you youth, me I tell you, you even a ass clot. Me not worry about this youth. We not grieving. Me have to tell you the bomber clot how not do to the family. We not damage the family more. I mean, I tell you, like you cry out long time, youth. See, me smash out this, I should know this for me, youth. That's why more time, me just stay so boom, the amount of time when I crush me. Every time even the man come out and go on the live brethren, we don't need no social media people, and we've been saying this. The man come out just to say, yo, me just explain, and the whole people I say, yo, I see that scrape in my scrape. How the fuck can we be scraping when we never ask a man if him get a sweet? Oh, when you sit down and allow the man for the merchandising and the name of the youth illegally on the blood clot, sit down and watch it bomber ass clot youth and nobody will say nothing. Nobody will say Cpr did you get authority to do this blood clot? And me for telling you youth, yo, me say the internet is a killer. The internet no love me now. So me just want to know, you know, the same knife, stick goat, stick sheep. Just bear that, you know, on a blood clot, you know, youth. Everybody have a family, everybody family can drop. And member say, stay mouth we say come and say go. The same man will reach out and say, beg you something, it says, suck your mother. Know that you, that better say me a grave dog. When I fuck up my family, you to not divide the family in the name of money, but we not ask you no for. We not bamba clat ask you no for nothing, we are on the friend ask. No, we not ask you no friend for the money, you. When a friend I take side with the blood clot, the mother, he might take side with the mother, and I do him thing, and only just watch it, and I destroy the family.
Let him let it out, Alana. Let him let it out, man.
Let him breathe. Let him breathe.
When a friend, listen to this blood clot. When a friend take side you, and I fuck up the thing. When a friend take side with the mother, the baby blood clot mother, him take the man daughter, have the man daughter as a porn. Man, the man and that him did friend youth.
Well, yeah, let me say something to you real quick. Let me say
none from nobody.
Milliman, the man sure.
I don't want to hear none from no hypocrite youth. The whole social media blood clot tweet. On no even a blood clot, on the wicked and the man who kill Niah. Because first and foremost, if you don't sound the real Niah, how you finish the man blood clot father? How you finish the man mother? Then you pre-youth and no reasoning.
Yo.
No reasoning, people.
One thing in my father, respect.
No reason, you know why no man voice you to no reason ability now.
My father.
give me some time on
No, you hear me saying I'm not got this none of them.
Jump off, come now you no man respond, go suck the mama. No even
Jump off. You're not a believer from there. Jump off.
Don't tell the man to jump off and don't this the man. I phone the family. Just make the man respond, make the man deal with him pain. Don't this the man. Just overstand the man. Attack the man, attack from him heart, man. Don't this the man.
The father say, we ask him to
Yeah, hear me?
Yeah.
The next one telling you in a Beijing. I'm telling you, from a long time I'm telling you this, you know. Yo, you see a CPR. Something got something between me and the youth, they understand me. I tell you, the youth, yo, what you even do, you know. I'm telling you, you know. You see it? And the girl jump up and this and that chat, she no blood clam up, no, you know, brother. I tell you, you know. You see it? Come and can't talk what you don't know, what you don't know. You see it? People who know me and know me live with my youth, them brother, they never could have come say this, brother. Me I tell you, so much things me tell you something me I do for my youth. See my youth dead and left my granddaughter. And see that he look a place where he start. And me I'm building down there right now. And me never ask CPR for dollar yet. And me I take my life money out of my pocket and building no. And me a CPR will read about this before me come to Jamaica. Mr. CPR, right now you're dead. And we have to go run with it daughter. So me tell the man, me say me and you, me say, how we, Mr. CPR, and we have to go run with him daughter. And we have to go do it. Mr. CPR, me have to go build now your own. Because I mean tell him say me go build it up. I mean tell him say me give him 20 grand to it. I mean can't make him daughter back sport. And the man not even have tell him things, so me talk to him even before me come to Jamaica. More that, much less he have beg money from him. And division never put into the whole of the 3 months we start.
Yeah, be a disrespect.
And right now when I break it, I tell you, me there, no man, I'm not telling you, driving, no man, I'm not telling you, I feel it, you know, you.
Yo, just be careful like you are talking to father.
Me feel it, you know, man. Me I tell you, you know.
Long time me I say this. Brother, long time me I say it. Me